Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to make a video basically inspired by a couple of things that I found. I was just in the town and I was going around, and we've got some little homeware shops, and I found this really cute little heart. So this is something you could use maybe for a wedding or just to have in the home. You can do different things with it. So this was something that I thought would be really good for using. I think this could be used in different ways. Like you could use this as a frame to make like a bridal bouquet, which would be quite nice. But the other source of inspiration for today's video was these absolutely beautiful roses. When I went shopping to the supermarket, they had these, and I just thought these were absolutely gorgeous. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't give the name of the rose, but I think they're just a beautiful rose. Now, they do have different qualities of rose, and this was the most expensive one, obviously, but they're just beautiful. So I was thinking, this in combination really would be a good idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this little bowl that I've got. Now, I did toy with using just a plain bowl, but I think that's going to be a little bit dull. So if we go for this blue bowl, I think we're going to get more impact for our flowers. So what we're going to use as a mechanic is just this aluminium wire, and we're just going to build that up so that sits in the middle. Now, what I need to do with this is remove our label, but also I want to remove this little heart. Now, as long as you remember how you did things, you can always put that back and put it back together. So essentially, we've got our little base for our design. Now, first thing then is add some water. And flower-wise, I've got just a range of different things. I think before we put our roses in, I want to put in a little bit of material. So I've got some lamb's ears, and I quite like this to sit up a little bit actually. This would be good. So we can actually use our wire a little bit for that. No. You've got a choice. You can either add your wire to the container, or not to the container, but just secure it so that it catches on the container. That way it's not going to move around. Or you could tape it in as well. So I don't really want us to see any of this at the end. So I've got some nice little bits and bobs. We've got some nice heuchera. So before we add our big roses, we're going to add just a little bit of this foliage first. I've got some sedum. And the great thing with using a dish like this is that we know we've got a good water source. There's not going to be any issue for the flowers. All the flowers can go in water, they're going to be quite happy. So if you were going to use this as a bouquet holder, what you would need to do is attach wires, bring them to the center and create a handle. And that would allow you to use this for carrying, basically. I love these little lamb's ears, they're so cute. Unfortunately, that one's growing a little bit like that, so that one makes it a little bit more difficult to place, but we can get him in there. So essentially, this is going to make like a little bit of a base for our roses. This sedum actually is a nice colour for adding. Right, so we've created a little bit of a base, but before we go too far, now's the time to add our roses. So as I say, this was just a supermarket bunch, and we can actually make use of this as well. So if I cut it like this, I can use this piece of rose as a foliage. Now, as long as the rose foliage is good, then that's not an issue. And in some ways, it actually makes it tie in with the flowers that we're going to use. So because we're using rose flowers, to use some of that rose foliage just makes sense. And it's actually a nice colour. So let's have a look at our flowers. I'm going to just trim off any foliage so that it makes it easy for putting them in. I want this to be a little bit like a kind of posy style. So compact. And in some ways these will actually help support each other as well. And as you can see, as we add these, we lose sight of our wire that we used as a mechanic. So sometimes you can show off the mechanic. Other times you might just think, do you know what? It's there doing a job, but we don't need to see it. And I think that's really the case here. So I'm just making sure that all these roses are in water. You're a little bit short, but you're kind of cute. So you can see we're really still showcasing the heart shape. We've got our nice roses. And now we can add our final details. So our final details are going to be a little bit of rosemary. And this is going to add a really nice scent to our little design. And also some lavender. So this is fresh lavender. And really these little elements are going to add a contrast to the heaviness of the roses. I have got a little aster, but I think if we use him, we just pop them in just low down, because we really don't want to take away from these roses. So essentially we've gone foam free. We don't need to use foam when we're creating a design like this. And you'll always find that flowers will be happier just straight into water. Foam is really, really useful for certain designs where you really need things to sit in a certain way. Also it's fast, but we don't always need it. And I think we should be looking for ways to make arrangements without necessarily foam if we can. It shouldn't just be such a go-to that we forget that there's other ways to create something without foam. So just adding our little details in there. Got this little, this is a little bit of a hosta, which is kind of cute. We can just pop him in there as well. So it really, for this, it's just about details and making something that's super pretty. So let's have a little look. I'm just going to show you this closer up. So excuse me for a second. But as you can see, we've got a really simple posy. So if this was on a low coffee table, you're really going to be able to look into those roses. We're really showcasing what those roses are like. And it's hard to believe that these were just a supermarket bunch, but they're so gorgeous. And just around the edges then we've got a little bit of detail with our foliage and our other pieces of material. But essentially, a sweetheart design in a simple bowl that's perfect for a low table. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Interesting just to keep an eye out when you're out and about for little things that you could turn into something totally different just by adding some flowers. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, then click here to subscribe. We've got a new video every week or so we'd love you to join us for our next design. So until then, stay safe and we hope to see you soon.